Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Roblox error that says it encountered an unexpected error and created a memory dump. First, open the Windows search bar and type Windows Security. Open it, then go to Device Security. Click on Core Isolation Details. Here, you will see Memory Integrity. Turn this option off. This feature can sometimes conflict with Roblox and cause crashes. After turning it off, restart your computer to apply the change. Next, go to your Roblox Player icon on the desktop. Right-click on it and select Properties. Open the Compatibility tab. Check the option that says Run this program in compatibility mode, then choose Windows 8 from the list. After that, enable or disable full screen optimizations. Also, check to run this program as an administrator. These settings help Roblox run more smoothly on some systems. Click Apply, and then OK. If the issue is still not fixed, you need to reinstall Roblox. Press Windows key and R at the same time to open the run box. Type %local appdata% and press Enter. Find the Roblox folder and delete it. This removes old cache files that might be causing the problem. Now go to the official Roblox website and install the game again. Once the installation is complete, launch Roblox and check if the error is gone. Thanks for watching.